good morning. Welcome back to another vlog with me. It's like 7:45 and I have to take medicine to therapy and I have to get some gas, or I might get gas before I bring her to therapy. But I just wanted to come in here and tell you guys thank you. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It means a lot to me because I was gone for a couple months. You guys were saying y'all miss me, even though I haven't responded to the comments yet, and I need to work on that. The minute you guys comment, I need to respond right away. But it's just a thing about me, I need to be in the headspace. It's weird, I don't really know how to explain it, but
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself at a low,
okay, I'm doing Apple Pay.
Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed.
Thank you.
Green one with your coat, which goes excellent on you. So.
Aw, thanks. That's why I tipped you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
You're all set.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I don't normally tip when I go to Starbucks, but his energy was just on point. Somebody else could give him a little something. I just get back from getting a massage because my boyfriend he had scheduled a massage session for my Valentine's Day. It's pouring outside like crazy and I look like a wet freaking rat. My glasses is wet. But yeah, wait, let me hurry up and go take this shit off because I feel nasty. Hey guys, good morning. So today's Saturday and I feel to have a healthy ass breakfast because I haven't made this in a while. I'm gonna journal a bit and respond to you guys' comments. I got my camera and I'm so freaking excited. Hopefully they actually fix it because I'm gonna be pissed. Ooh, this bag is pretty. So, why it look like they gave me a whole brand new camera? Wait, hold on. I think they gave me a whole brand new camera. Oh my god. I didn't send it with this bottom, nor this. Hopefully I don't drop it. I was looking at Amazon and I see that they have a silicone protective case, so I need to get one ASAP. This is the current state of my camera that I'm using, and it have a paper in there because the gimbal is broken, so it kind of stable the camera a bit, not so much. And with the gimbal being broken, I can't do this, so I have a feature on the camera where I could flip the camera around. So now you're seeing my pretty ugly face. So yeah, I really love this camera. It's not the typical camera that everybody have, like the Sony and the Canon, like nah, but this gets the job done, and it's so compact, and I just love it. And like, I don't really have no major problem. Battery life is freaking amazing. And the thing that I love with this is, you know, most cameras, like, you can't charge them and use them at the same time. I love that. If I'm driving, I could have it plugged in while recording. Like, that's tea. It's just like, I don't know, for me it's a really reliable, convenient camera. Like, you could just shove it in your pocket. It doesn't take much to carry around. That's what I love. So if you're going somewhere and you're bringing a nice cute clutch, you just pack this up in your bag and you're gone. No one won't know it's a camera, because there's a lot of time I'm recording and people looking at me crazy like, what is that? I'm like, it's a camera. And they're so amazed. Like, every time I tell someone this is a camera, they're like shook. Hey guys, good morning. Shakera reporting live on her new camera. Today is Tuesday and it's an errands day. I have so much to do. I just got back from Madison session. I need to stop at the mall because I haven't been to Zara in a while. I need to see what they have going on. And I need to check something out for my friend. Then I need to go to the bank. And I also need to stop at my ophthalmologist because I got some new contact. And wait, did I mention I have to go to Target? Yeah, I need to go to Target because I need some like skincare, body hygiene type thing. So we'll see if I could tackle all of that for today.
Make 500,000 every time you see me, I can pick niggas not on my level.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, got money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm making the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on.
I was exhausted yesterday. I couldn't give you guys a Target haul because y'all know I like to show y'all what I get. And tell me why what I went for I did not buy. So I'm headed to Target again and hopefully I actually get what the hell I want. Just got back from Target and I did good, like I didn't overdo it. But I need to go to the supermarket because I need to grab some stuff because I want to make Madison lunch / dinner. So yeah. Show you guys what I actually got today. I got some floss. For some reason a dental hygienist saying these not good. Got some beads, mouthwash, my tampons that I needed. I got some mud masks and a couple clay masks. So I saw this body wash. It's from Naturium, if that's how it's pronounced, and it got salicylic acid. Got another t-shirt. Got me this booty shorts. Got my hair remover from Nair. I normally use Veet, but they never had it, so I got that instead. And this Venus caramel wax. Also got this other hair removal. I never seen this one before, so I want to try it. I got a couple nail products because I wear press-ons now, so I got a cuticle pusher, a cuticle serum, and this is a nail glue. I got me some new cases. Pink, of course. I got these off Shein, and they're so freaking pretty. I wanted to change this raggedy ass phone case for quite some while. I had got this off the fence, and it did what it had to do, but now it's time for it to be gone. Hey guys, so today's Friday and I'm going out with my friend, and I had to reinstall this wig because since I bought it, I haven't got the chance to like see it in its full effect, like, you know what Dolly Dong makeup do, outfit popping. So then I'm like, why not? Because at the end of the day, it's my wig, it's washed, and it smells good. So like, who cares? So yeah, I had to reinstall it, but I think I want to like layer it a bit. I'm about to shower, and it would have been wise for me to do it before showering, but it's Shakera. Shakera does dumb shit. But it's whatever. And yeah, I'm about to do some skincare, and I also installed some press-ons. They're like really cute. They'll be in my Amazon storefront. Yeah, let me hurry up, stop the rambling, and let's hit the road. Yeah, look at my friend, she a baddie. Look at my friend, she a baddie. Oh God. Look at my friend. Listen, I don't know. We could have bought Popeyes and sat right here and we enjoyed it. Look, the liquor store's right here. Right. They need to shut that shit down. No problem. It was overdue. It was old. Y'all is freezing. Now we are second spot.
Yo, mama, they are the motive. Me nah left you on belly.